The previous process only plates a very thin layer of copper, and this thin deposit isn't sufficient for the next steps, nor is it sufficient for the final working circuit. That's why we need to add a thicker layer of copper to the surface. The panels are processed using the vertical electrolytic plating line to receive the first stage of additional copper. Before plating, the panels are cleaned with an acid cleaner and rinsed before we begin the plating process to ensure cleanliness. The panels are connected to a cathode, and the plating solution in the plating bath is connected to an anode. And with the applied current, the copper ions move from the plating solution to the panels, depositing copper all over the surface of the panel, including into the holes. We deposit about 5 to 8 microns of copper on the outer layer surface. We don't add more because we will remove some copper in the later stages. To ensure quality, factories must use reliable and well-known chemical brands for the plating chemistry and have good process control, as well as good management of all other plating parameters, including time in baths and control over plating currents. We also expect at this stage deposit rates to be checked, as well as surface through-hole thickness of deposits.